Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Godaddy website subscription. Whether you're moving to a different hosting provider or simply no longer need the service, knowing how to properly cancel your subscription ensures you won't be charged for renewals. You don't want? First, head over to your web browser and navigate to godaddy.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to type in your login credentials to access your account. After entering your username and password, you'll be directed straight to your Godaddy dashboard. This is your main control center where you can manage all aspects of your account and services. Now look towards the top right corner of your screen where you'll see your profile icon or name. Click on this profile dropdown to reveal additional options. A drop-down menu will appear with several account-related choices. From this menu, locate and select account settings. Clicking on this option is crucial as it takes you to the area where you can manage your subscription details and billing preferences. This section contains all the essential information about your account and the services you're currently using. You'll now be directed to your account settings page, which displays all your information and website details in one convenient location. Here, focus your attention on the left navigation menu. Look for and click on Renewals and Billing. This is where Godaddy houses all your subscription management tools. Once you're in this section, you'll be presented with an overview of your current plan and all the products you're subscribed to. Now click on Manage Subscriptions. You'll see a list of your active subscriptions displayed on the screen. Click on the specific subscription you want to cancel, and the option will expand to show you more details. Within this expanded section, you'll find a button labeled Turn Off Auto Renew. Click on this option. This action is important because it automatically cancels your plan's renewal and ensures that your subscription will not renew after your current billing period ends. Essentially, you'll maintain access to your service until the date you've already paid for, but no new charges will occur. After clicking to turn off auto renewal, Godaddy will ask you to provide a reason for your cancellation. You'll see a list of common reasons displayed on your screen. Select the option that best fits your situation, whether it's cost concerns, switching providers, or any other reason. Once you've made your selection, click on Continue to Cancel to proceed with finalizing the cancellation. This confirms your decision and completes the process. And that's it. You've successfully turned off auto renewal for your Godaddy website subscription, which means you won't be charged when your current period ends. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.